My people, woman when he born for different men, when pikin dey with for us, and woman when he born for one man, when government collect her children, which one better pass? Woman when he born for different men, she dey with her children, they plan future with her children. And man, when he born, you know they hear from a pikin, which one better pass? Leave her in the comment section. Hey! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time and according to your location. If today is your first time coming across Proud Mom Gist TV, you are highly welcome. Thanks for coming, thanks for taking your time watching my video. I so much do appreciate your presence in my heart. To my all that returnees, God bless you all for always stopping by to check on me. I don't take you guys for granted deep down my heart. I so much do appreciate your presence. If you be new here, say you never follow this page, Proud Mom Gist TV, follow the other page, Fearless Proud Mom Talk Show. What are you waiting for? Join the family. Follow me on my page and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I upload new video, you get notified on the bell. You got me? So, my people, na simple question I call you to answer. Yeah, for this page where we did so, they talk about different things, everything they happen for you. You know understand? So, before I go for the question, my people, and they come across people, just they call my name. She not the shame. I suppose shame. Bros, woman when not the husband house. She do bola. She supposed shame. No. For me, woman when not the husband house. She not put left for street. My brother, my sister, when I don't see where woman when they pursue for husband house, husband they go night work. Before husband come, she carry long prick. She buy the man laptop. He give her 1,002. That same person, the last single mother, when he just say, me, she just enjoy herself. Single mother, the woman, when he does mass, when he shit, which one better pass? Second question. Woman, where pikin dey with her, dey with for house, when he born different children, born for different men. And man, woman, when he born for one man, because of bad character, government collect her children. Which one better pass? Single mother, when he born for different men, when pikin dey with for us, and the one when he born for one man, because of irresponsible life where she dey live, she's not qualified to be a mother. They collect that pikin, give him mama. Which one better? Give him papa. Government collect those children. Papa go fight time to collect those children. Instead of man to fight to collect children from to see her children from mama hand. If pikin dey with mama, now the woman they go they fight to take pikin from me, to even beg the man not the baby see her pikin. Now the woman they beg go snap picture with her pikin because of too much laugh. Which one better pass? Single mother when he born for different men, woman when he born for one man, they pursue and come out of her husband's house because say Akbekus not let her keep. Which one better pass? Woman when he not the husband's house, they commit fornication. Who says single mother not go to faga? Who talk am? Now when he just they talk, say single mother, be single mother will not get pride. I am not to get pride. I not beg man. I not just money beg man. Okay, single mother not supposed to enjoy. What single mother because I'm a single mother. I not go do. Abi? Ha! Una mentality too low, my people. Now today they start to see Bola and Bekus. Not be person. Man go work for night. He carry man come and see buy your laptop 1,002, give her 1,002 motor cash. When I'm not shame that one. Now single mother when not use the husband house. She just say me, she just the test. And I just the cry. When I cry. Woman when he born for different men, a man, irresponsible man. When he born one pikin, we not the hear from, you not get contact of that pikin. Which one better pass? Single mother children there with her. She they take care of her. They are doing well. They are participating in everything a child will achieve. And man, when he born one pikin at the age of 40 something, he not get access to that pikin. Which one better pass? Make una dey talk truth, my people. Una not dey tell truth for where truth dey. Let's be honest. I'd rather be a single mom having child for different men than for me to have child for one man. Government could collect them. I beg, woman born for one man. He can get pride past woman when he born for a different man. You born for one man, government collect your pikin. Single mother when he born for different men, pikin there with her. Which one better pass? Which one? Which one? So my beloved people, wanna use sense. Don't let anybody bring you down as a single mom. Any mistake, if you find yourself, give thanks to God. Nobody fit shame the shameless. Me, as I tell so, I'm a shameless woman. Woman, be proud. Woman, be responsible. Have child and take care of those child. Not be among those women when it be say they're born, they collect pikin from. It's a failure. That don't show a responsible woman. It shows how useless and wayward that woman is. Nothing like pikin when he grow up with his mama. Now mama know the future when he go give pikin. Now mama know the kind of plan when he go use the pikin money to do. Imagine person when he born, he not qualify as a mother. They laugh single mother when he born for different men. Ha! My sister, which plan you get for your children? For you to go, they think how to fight as a woman to collect your pikin back. You know reason now. For you to fight as a man to go look for your child. You know reason now. You the reason woman when the pikin there for house, she go cook, give the children. Bros, now you get problem, oh sister. Now you get problem. No, na go self na problem. Imagine irresponsible girl when use wind take by a pikin for inside belle. They come out. She born one for house. She come here. She born because say a pikin when he dey here by. No. She come dey claim say she be innocent. If to say the one when he not by, how many men you don't born for a sister? You when you born for Nigeria, say born for here. Okay, now because my own day life, it dey with me. It can't make me not responsible. You are a useless woman. You are a useless woman. Okay, woman when not the husband house, they commit fornication. Who says single mother no need to enjoy? Woman, single mother to fuck make can say she not get class. And they see a lot of idiots. They talk for social media. She not be classy single mother. Need to be hard to carry. Shut up, my sister. Now you worst pass. Idiots. Shut up. Now na worst. Now what you do on her body? Now na take the laugh person. Who say, single mother, because I be single mother, I don't need to fuck, I don't need to test that bola. When they take the course, all women say, the sister, if you your way, sister, if you your way, I'm not going to test them. Bro, sister, with the grace, I don't test them, I know as it don't be. You don't understand? I know as it don't be. After, what I thank God, be say, my 10 euro, I not spend that put. Una the grace, una the mad. Who says single mother, I don't need to fuck her? Okay, because woman born, you don't go to fuck again. She don't, but she need to concentrate on the pikin. She don't need to flex. I was what? The woman, proud mom just TV. Proud mom just TV. You don't get class. You don't get class. Okay, to fuck and make me not get class. Now you get class. Ah, what bear you are. My people, more than the thing before, now the reason more than the talk. Waiting there is in single mother with your child. Take care of your child. Don't sleep with man in the presence of your children. Respect your children. To get boyfriend as a single mom is not a bad thing. You are free to have a boyfriend. You are free to have a boyfriend. You can have a boyfriend. If you try boyfriend, say the boy not ready, you're not ready to help you take care of pikin, they do your children silaka. Pursue am. Give time before you carry another one. To say single mother no need to friend boy. Now the grace. That one is just out of points. Single mother as humans. Single mother are humans. You know, person born, you not stop on to have fun. My sister, if you got opportunity, have fun. Fun is made to make with respect, not in the presence of your children. German law not stop woman, make she not friend boy. German law not stop woman, make she not friend boy. Friend boy, but not molest your children. Don't do it in the presence of your children. Respect your children. Ask them whether I know they fool my children. I love my children. They are my priority. Even if I'm not born again, I get pikin when I take care of me. Instead of una to go take lawyer to claim una children back, una they carry my matter put for head. Single mother, God go bless una. God go bless us. Born for how many man you want. If you also, no, I know someone at the born they go. And as if una don't make the mistake, not blame yourself because of all those nuisance. If you never made the mistake, I beg my sister, make things work if you deal with responsible man. God bless you. Or please share this video. Leave your comments. If anything when I talk offend, I'm on another verse. Leave a comment below the comment section. See you guys on my next video. We won't cry. I'm gonna cry. I'm not stop to the do bola. I go still carry another one very soon. So we won't cry. So if you like, we worry, idiot.